Testing 1 2. Now, before you start cooking, these things are edible. So, what example? We have here. See? Very nice. Try this.
Yo and hello everyone, welcome back to Mama Jaden's Kitchenette. Are you this kind of person that loves tasty food? You know what? As usual, Rasta woman, mom of two, wife to one, queen of recipes. She's about to grace your amazing screens with mautamu. Shaisikia utamu wewe? Toka huko, na maanisha mautamu ya chakula. And so guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly make this home by subscribing onto this channel. Also click on the notification bell so that every other time we upload a new video, you are among the first people to watch. To my returning subscribers, I'm forever grateful. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for always choosing to watch these videos. And so guys, definitely, when you see me roaming around this spot, it just means a recipe is about to pop. That a recipe is about to go down, guys. And so as usual on this day, something yummy, something amazing, something sweet, something sumptuous is about to cook. And for the very first time, guys, you're going to cook with me dinner. It's one of those Saturdays I'm spoiling my family with some good tasty food. And so as we do that, we are going to prepare potato wedges together with the double pan fried chicken. The recipe of double pan fried chicken is already on my YouTube channel. You can go check it out. But specifically, we are going to do with you guys potato wedges. So on to our ingredients of this day. I have with me here chopped potatoes already. And for good results, ensure they are big enough. The small ones are not going to give you nice results. And then I have paprika here. Is this paprika? Capsicum. I have capsicum here in all colors. And then this is food color. You can choose food color of your choice. But for us, we've chosen egg yellow. Then I have cooking oil. I have paprika with me. This is fresh ginger and garlic. And this is coriander. Then this is rosemary. So let's get on to our thing as we used to doing. So let's cut our potatoes into wedges. Each potato should give you 4 pieces. So here are our wedges. They look like wedges. So our wedges are here. First thing, we add food color. Then you just mix. So after coloring them, here they are. So here is our baking tray. Onto it, we evenly place the rosemaries. So we nicely place them on this baking tray of ours. So mine are neatly arranged. We evenly place the ginger and garlic. The aroma is already, ooh. Then we sprinkle cooking oil onto them. So after spreading cooking oil, then salt, finally paprika, so where is my foil? After doing this, we cover it again. So this is what I'm going to place in our oven. I'm preheating my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. We are going to cook this for 15 minutes. Guys, 15 minutes later, we wanna check on our potato wedges. As I told you, I'm preparing dinner for my family. It's that weekend. Double pan fried chicken has to be eaten in this house. So, let's check on our potato wedges. The aroma. So, we are going to let this, to return this to be in the oven. Now we are increasing the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius, and we are going to cook for 10 minutes before we turn the other side. potatoes are continuing to cook, let's keep working on our double pan fried chicken. This recipe is available on my YouTube channel. You can go check it, how to make double pan fried chicken. Because we just found you doing this, we really don't know how it all started. If you want the full recipe, please check out on this YouTube channel. The link will also be on the description box of this video to that video of making double pan fried chicken. All my friends who have tried this is how they make their broiler chicken. No other way. You could, guys. So guys, our dinner is still cooking. The double pan fried chicken almost ready. Now it's about that time I prepare the paprika that I showed you earlier. We shall garnish with our potatoes as well as the chicken. So as these tomatoes are cooking, let's prepare, it's kind of salad. Let's prepare this salad of ours. A bit of cooking oil in our pan. So this is enough. Then we add our we want them crunchy, so they are going to cook for a very short while. So in 1 minute they are ready. So we shall garnish our potatoes, our chicken with this salad of ours. So the 10 minutes are over. Let's check on the pylon. So they are crispy. We just garnish with the coriander. So guys, thank you for being patient. Our dinner is now ready. Basically we were making potato wedges. Here they are. They look so yummy. Then our double pan fried chicken is also over here. Who doesn't want to dig into this? Who doesn't want to dig into this? And so guys, that has been it about potato wedges. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I don't take it for granted. See you on the next one, and bye guys.